Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Multi-User Business Access. To use TikTok Multi-User Business Access, you must use the TikTok Business Center, which serves as a central hub to manage team members' assets and permissions without sharing login credentials. Now, to set up TikTok Business Center, go ahead and open your application. From there, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right. Then tap on this three horizontal line menu icon located at the top right. From there, head to settings and privacy and you will find this option called account. Now, once you're there, you should be able to find option called switch to business account. However, my account is not a business account, so it is not shown in mine, but it should be available in yours. Now, once you click on it, you will be sent to a new dashboard or your business creator or your central dashboard for your team. Now from there, you should be able to navigate users in the left-hand menu. Click on the users and select members. From there, you will be able to add member or even invite them. Now provide the email address of the person you want to add and choose between admin full access or standard access only to assigned assets. Now once you designate their roles, you can add finance manager or financial analyst and to their permissions. Now once you do so, go ahead and click next or send to email the invitation, and once you do so, assign the assets in the user tab, find the members and click grant access. Then select specific ad accounts, TikTok accounts, pixels or shops they need to manage. Now for TikTok accounts, you can choose if they can post to the profile or use the account for ads only. And once you do so, you can also add external partners. Go to assets, then partners in your dashboard, then click add partner and enter the agency's business center ID to share assets at the business level. And that is how you can use the TikTok multi-user business access. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.